always tell when she's on the move. Quiet is not her strong suit. And what is she going? Oh. Oh, okay. All right. What we're doing is we're practicing for Friday because she's going in for a bill trim. And she doesn't like to be taken out of her cage. No, she does not. And so, to make the whole thing less traumatizing and everything, we have ways of getting her down. So, for the next few days, we throw a towel on the ground. She comes down. Friday, she goes to the vet. That's right. Look at that crazy bill you got going.